So we're gonna go up SFU, my Alma Mater. Mater? Yeah, Mater, isn't it? Alma Mater, probably, yeah. Shows what I learned in school. Should be a good ride. Unfortunately, we can't hear you on the camera, it's just me. But it's pretty amusing. So I should probably watch for cops. He's not really just wearing a hoodie, he's got a motorcycle jacket on under. Full leathers under. Well, not the pants, but those are some tight pants you got there. There you go. What was he riding? Looked like a what? A Buell? Bolt! Oh, pardon me. Bolt. Ah. Yeah, probably. I see a lot of Harleys along here. This is nice, the back of SFU Mountain. It's just clean, it's quiet. This is beautiful, man. I'm so glad I went out tonight. So, August 24th, hear what Eli was saying, maybe go up the Sunshine Coast. I wonder if we can all go or what. I need to get out just for a little trip like that. That was a Harley. It's cool, man, waving at each other. It's like a little cafe. Was it? GSX-R, cool. That looked nice, man. I got it. Mr. Cyclist. That's cool, man. I never could get into road biking. I don't know. It's just not my thing. I love watching the Tour de France, though. I think Froome's gonna win it again. Froome, the South African guy. Looks like a Skeletor. Like, he looks emaciated. But he's like especially emaciated. My dad was saying, because my dad knows, you know, like their form and technique and stuff. He said his technique is very just like, he just jackhammers. He doesn't really have a good riding technique. He just kind of powers through and just kind of flails around and gets it done. Which is cool, it works. Yeah, turn this thing off. See if I can do it.